Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
Common phrasal verbs with move, like, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Move in, meaning to start living in a new place, such as a house or apartment. It often involves settling into a new home and beginning life in a new location. Examples: she moved in with her friends to save on rent. He helped his parents move into their new retirement home. Move out, meaning to leave a place where you have been living, typically a house or apartment, and relocate to a different place. Examples: he decided to move out of his parents' house. After finishing college, he decided to move out and find his own apartment. Move on, meaning to leave a place, situation, or relationship in progress to something new or different. Examples: after discussing the budget, let's move on to the next agenda item. After the breakup, she decided it was time to move on and start fresh. Move over, meaning to change your position to make space for someone or something else, often to allow them to sit or stand where you are. Examples: could you move over a bit so I can sit down? The driver asked the passenger to move over to make room for another person. Move up, meaning to advance to a higher level or position, often in terms of career, ranking, or status. Examples: she moved up in the company quite quickly. She worked hard and was eventually able to move up to a managerial position. Move back, meaning to return to a previous location or position. Examples: they decided to move back to their hometown. She moved back to her parents' house while she looked for a new job. Move along, meaning to continue to progress or proceed. Examples: the police told the crowd to move along. There's nothing to see here, folks. Move along, please. Move ahead, meaning to progress or proceed, often despite obstacles. Examples: despite the challenges, the project is moving ahead as planned. The company is moving ahead with the new product launch next month. Move away, meaning to leave a place and go to live in a different location, often farther from the original place. Examples: after getting the new job, he decided to move away from his hometown. She moved away from her parents' house to gain more independence. Move around, meaning to change or adjust the position of something. Example: we need to move the furniture around to make more space. Move into, meaning to occupy a place as a resident or start a new activity. Example: they moved into the new office last week. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications,